Every day, there are approximately 25,000 burglaries in the United States. To make matters more complicated, the average response time to a 911 call is now 11 minutes. We need a way to protect our homes and our families. Fortify your property with the Driveway Alert from SABRE. This SABRE Driveway Alert triggers when motion is detected outside of your home, warning you of approaching people and vehicles. The long-range, water-resistant sensor, ideal for larger properties and long driveways, can be placed up to 390 feet from the receiver. The sensor captures movement up to 20 feet away with an impressive 110-degree angle of scanning detection. The indoor receiver measures 105 to 115 decibels, with adjustable volume levels to make sure it is set to your ideal preference. And it features 5 different alert modes, including doorbell, which emits a chime to announce visitors. Installation is easy, with no wiring needed. Simply insert the batteries, mount the sensor on the exterior of your home, and mount the receiver indoors in a high-traffic area where the alert can be heard. Keep your home safe with the Driveway Alert from SABRE.